Hey guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you how to create a VLAN in your NETGEAR switch. So first, what you want to do, you want to go to switching, and then here you'll see VLAN. And then to create a VLAN you want to enter the ID of a VLAN, and then the name, and then here you'll see add, and basically that is it. As you can see, here is the VLAN that I've just created, and basically that is it. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.